everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I am so happy you stopped by. Today I've got a special guest in my video. This is my mom. You guys know I'm home for spring break finally. So this week I'll be filming in my room, maybe in this room. This is our living room. So as usual, this is Fabulous Friday favorites time. So mom's got a couple favorites and so do I. So let's jump right in. I'm going to start off with, I don't really have any face favorites today, but I have been really enjoying using the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And I've actually used this on mom once or twice and I think she likes it too. It's really nice if maybe you put on some extra powder and you want it to kind of dissolve out, or if you just want your makeup to last a little bit longer, it's really good. And then I've got two mascara favorites for the week. One of them, my mom actually traded me so I could have it. She doesn't enjoy this mascara so much. It's the Maybelline The Rocket Volume Express. I really like it. She's not a fan, so we've got an unfavorite. And then my Maybelline Big Eyes. I've gotten really back into using this for my lower lashes. I think this is a really great mascara for lower lashes because it does have this extra little wand. So really nice and precise for application. Mom, you want to do one of your favorites?
Yeah. Oh, my first favorite is this right here. It's my Melanie.
She's my first favorite.
This is glad to have her home.
You guys, you don't understand. This is not just my mom. This is my best friend. So, double.
Okay, so now my makeup favorite. Melanie actually brought this home from college for me. It's Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Foundation. It's in True Ivory. I'm actually wearing it right now. I just put it on for the first time this morning, and I really like it. I've been using Revlon Cover Stay is what I've been using, and I just thought that was the best thing for me. And then I put this on this morning, like, oh wow, I really like this. I think I'll probably like maybe a shade darker with summer coming up, but I really like this. So thanks for bringing it to me.
Yeah, I'm glad she liked it. I think if you guys haven't tried that, we've got a little bit of a different skin tone. So I think this is pretty good. They don't have a very big shade selection, but I think if it can go for both of our tones, that it would work for a lot of different people.
Yeah, it helps cover up some of my wrinkles. That always helps.
It is a very full coverage foundation at the drugstore, so really good. And then my other face favorite is the Benefit What's Up Cream Highlighter. This is just a little sample size I got from, I think, Sephora for my birthday. I really like this stuff. I'm not a cream highlighter fan, but this is pretty good. And if maybe you have a little bit of aging skin, something like that, Mom, I've used it on her before. If you have something like that, or oily skin like I do, I think you might really like this, even if you're not a fan of cream highlights. And then my last face favorite is something that I just recently grabbed, and this is really great. I got it from Ulta, so if you're looking for this is from Essence. It's the All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder. You guys know I'm all about anything that's going to make me matte, and especially these translucent powders. I guess the drugstore is getting a little more into that game. It seems that they're getting a little more into translucent pressed powders. So this stuff is really great. I am going to have a review up on this very soon, so if you want some more in-depth thoughts and maybe a demo, check that out. And then my last favorite, my mom picked up for me, and I came home to it and I'm so happy. This is the Soap & Glory A Great Kisser Lip Moisture Balm in Juicy Peach. Yeah, Juicy Peach. And this stuff is really good. I do have it on right now. Not a ton of color. It's kind of just a nice peachy color, if you guys can see that. But it's very glossy and very moisturizing. So if you like that kind of thing, this is great. You can pick it up at Sephora. So that's our Friday favorites. I think Mom's going to be in some videos with me later on this week. Maybe some non-makeup related videos, some lifestyle type videos. If you guys are interested in that, then be sure to stick around. I hope you all have a great weekend, and thanks again for watching.